Is your cat staring at a blank wall like it's a horror movie? Stop moving. You've got Greebles. It's not ghosts. Cats see in the ultraviolet spectrum and hear ultrasonic frequencies. That blank wall is actually a high-definition action movie. Microscopic dust motes, tiny bugs inside your drywall, or even the hum of a light bulb. To them, the air is alive. They aren't crazy. They're just overqualified. You're the one who's blind. Don't look behind you.